If your check scanner is not cleaned properly, you risk increased transaction failures, errors in check reconciliation, and time-consuming corrections. Open both side covers, inspect for any foreign debris along the check path, and, using canned air, blow out dust from the path. Be sure to also blow out dust from the double feed detection sensors as well. If you have an ink cartridge, open up the top cover and remove the ink cartridge and wipe the cartridge clean. Set aside the cartridge and close the top cover. Use the cleaning swab to remove any excess ink or debris from the scanner lenses. Close your Panini scanner. Cleaning your check scanner is as easy as scanning a check. Just feed the cleaning card through the scanner. Use only the Panini Waffle Technology cleaning cards designed specifically to clean Panini check scanners. Reinstall the ink cartridge. Your Panini scanner is now clean.